Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to design a stunning magazine cover, whether it's for a school project, a business event, or just for fun, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create a professional looking magazine cover right inside Canva, even if you have zero design experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to put together an eye-catching cover, but you'll also learn some creative tips to make your design truly stand out. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and open Canva. If you've never used it before, no worries, it's totally free to get started and you can either use it in your web browser or download the Canva app. Once you're in, look for the big Create a Design button, usually it's up in the top right corner. Give that a click. This is like your starting gate where all the Canva magic happens. Now in the search bar that pops up, just type in magazine cover. As you start typing, Canva will show a few suggestions. Go ahead and select magazine cover from the list. What's great about this is that Canva instantly sets up your design with the right page size and dimensions, so you don't have to worry about pixel ratios or printing headaches later on. It's all ready for you, hassle-free. Next up, you'll see a whole gallery of magazine cover templates laid out for you, each with its own style and flair, from bold and minimal to vibrant and busy. Take some time to scroll through this collection and pick a template that matches the vibe you're going for. For example, if you want something edgy and modern, pick one with sharp lines and contrasting colors. Or if you're after a soft, elegant look, go for a template with pastel hues and classy fonts. Don't stress if you're not totally sure which one to pick. You can always change your mind or swap elements out as you go. Once you've found your favorite, click on the template to open it up. This is where the fun really begins, because everything you see on the template, text, photos, shapes, can be customized. Want to change the headline? Just click on the text box and type in your title. You can play around with the font size and alignment. Maybe you want the main text to pop a little more. Try experimenting with text effects like shadows or outlines, or change the color to match your photo or overall theme. Speaking of colors, if you'd rather have the background, fonts, or images in a different shade, you can easily swap them out. For instance, if you're making a cover for a summer-themed magazine, you might want to go with sunny yellows or ocean blues. Canva gives you tons of options to play with, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. You can even upload your own images and logos to make it truly one of a kind. Remember, don't rush this part. Play around, get creative, and have fun. Designing is a process, and sometimes it takes a few tries to get everything just right. When you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to wrap things up. Head to the Share button in the corner, then click Download. Choose a file type that suits how you'll use your design: PDF if you want to print, or PNG JPG for digital sharing. Canva will quickly prepare your file, and you'll be ready to share your magazine cover with the world. That's all there is to it. You've just created a magazine cover in Canva, from blank slate to finished product. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I love helping you all out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.